Wetangula in what left tongues wagging over their apparent newfound friendship. Now, Wetangula accompanied the deputy president as he launched various development projects in the region. And as William Lusige reports, the deputy president prevailed upon Wetangula to work with him prior to the 2022 general election.
It was a rare moment that has not been witnessed for long, as the two former political protagonists in different camps arrived together to launch various projects in Bungoma County. Before today, the two leaders have been on record exchanging harsh words against each other. But not today. This left residents wondering whether the newfound friendship has anything to do with the 2022 election.
Nilimwambia my brother Wetangula, tulikutana pale Webuye, nikamwambia chungana na hawa watu wengine, kwa sababu mimi nilikuwa na wao. Mimi nikatoka huko nimepigwa na panga. Wewe usipochunga utapigwa na shoka. Si huyu muungwana amepigwa na shoka? Na mkiona Wetangula ameketi hapa, si ameketi hapa kimakosa. Dalili ya mvua ni nini?
Tulisema nasa Ruto. Kumbe Ruto na Uhuru wanapita kando wakanasa Raila na Uhuru walisalimiana. Sisi tukisalimiana hakuna shida.
The two appear to be in agreement that no single community can win presidential poll without the support of others.
Lazima tutembee na majirani. Kama unataka kwenda mbali, tembea na wenzako.
Local leaders also spoke on current push for constitutional reforms.
Are ready for referendum. The biggest question ni hivi, tunauliza, hii referendum is about what?
Katiba ya Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga ndio hii, ile tunasema lazima turekebishe.
Deputy President toured 3 counties including Bungoma, Kakamega and Vihiga. The Deputy President has asked Ford Kenya Party leader Moses Wetangula to rethink about his political career and work together with him. Willie Lusige, KTN News, Sirisia, Bungoma County.
Well, the Friday briefing now takes a short